Hi, in front of me is Samsung Galaxy M22 and today I would like to show you how you can connect it through Bluetooth. Firstly, go into Settings. Now choose Connections over here and tap on Bluetooth. Click on the switcher to activate it and wait for available devices to show up. When they do, tap on the one that you want to connect to, wait a second, choose Pair and wait for this device to accept your connection request. As you can see, my devices were successfully connected. If you wish to forget this connection though, you can click on this gear icon next to the device and select Unpair at the bottom right corner. As you can see, now my devices are disconnected. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!